Hello, in this tutorial we're going to create a title block. I will show you how to do it. Let's create a new file. Let's select the folder for the sample files. Here we're going to type the name of the file as title block A3. Click open. Now we have opened the display for Microstation. So in the display area we have two views. We're just going to use view 1. Here we're going to set first is the design working units. So the working units should be in millimeters. I prefer to be in millimeters. You can use other units such as inches or feet. Click OK. Now we need to go to drawing composition. Select create new sheet mode. Here we're going to name the sheet as A3. Full size. Here we're going to select A3 size, the paper size. Click OK. Origin should be 0, 0. Click OK. Now we have here is the paper size, the actual size of the A3 in millimeters. So if we measure it from end to end, it's about 420 millimeter. So here we're going to set it back to millimeters. It's 297. So now we're going to draw the border lines for this title block. So here we're going to create the level first so we can arrange it properly. Here we go. We are going to create a level, let's say A border. Let's set the color to blue so we can easily identify it. We're going to create another level which is for the A text. This is for the text that we're going to use for this title block. So here we're going to set the color to yellow. If you preferred other colors or you have other settings, just change it to your preferred color. Escape. Now we're going to go to the rectangular place box. So we'll select the end corner of the sheet, then the other's opposite corner. Click undo, click Ctrl C. We need to set first the level. Select the corner and then the opposite. So now from here we're going to offset or move parallel the border by 7.5 mm from the edges of the paper. So select it, select the internal part, erase the outer portion. So now this is the border of our borderline or margin of our title block. So now we're going to create some space to place in the name, the project title, and other information required for title block. Here we're going to change the thickness of the line to 2 so it can be more thicker. Now we're going to place a line from the corner. Let's move parallel by 100 mm. Select the internal part. From here we're going to create another line as reference. Let's move parallel this by 50 mm. Now erase the outer one. Erase this one. Now let's going to trim it. Trim multiple. Select here. Trim that side. And then trim this side. Select trim multiple again. Select the edges and then trim. Now we're going to place some spaces or other lines from the top so we can have the demarcation or boundary of the space for the text. Let's set one paragraph. Let's set 7.5 as our first offset. Let's set another one. So the remaining space will be for the project title or description of services. So here we're going to place another line at the center to divide the spaces into several information. Now we're going to place some text for the information necessary. So we're going to select the place text. Here we're going to set the style. We have to create a new style. Let's name text 2 mm. Now we're going to set this as 2. Set the text color to yellow. Click save. Create another one. Let's create another text as 4 mm. Let's set the height of the text as 4 mm. The width will set this as 2.5. Let's unlock this so it won't be proportional. Set 4. Enter. Set the color to blue. Click save. Click exit. Now we're going to use here is the 2 mm. So the first part, let's say tone by. Click OK. Set it. Set the location. So now we're going to copy this. Set it to another one. Now we're going to edit this label. Select the edit text. Set this as scale. Set this as paper size. Or let's just put size. It's understood as the paper size. Let's place this as check. Apply. Approved by. And then let's set this as drawing number. Click OK. You can also copy this at the bottom. Let's click one copy. Let's do it. Select. Copy. Let's edit the text and set this as project title. Now let's place the text here. Let's set another text style which is bigger than the 2 mm. Create text 3 mm. Let's set this as 3. Let's set the color to green. And then click save. Click exit. Here we're going to change it to 3 mm. Let's say the drawn by is Mike. Click OK, place the text, copy this text, so copy this text, select the reference point, select the reference point, select, 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 select. So here now we're going to edit this. Let's say scale is 1:100. Change the information. Let's change this to A3. Let's say this one is assistant boss. Let's say this one is boss. And the drawing number, let's say P1214/M02/001. You can move the text if it's not fit, so you can adjust it a little. So now here we can create the project title or the services. For here, let's change this label to services. Then we'll place another text, which is the 4 mm, set 4 mm. Then we can type in air conditioning and mechanical services. To adjust this spacing, we need to edit the text, set the text style here, set the spacing, select 0, change it to 0, the line spacing, enter, click save, exit, yes. As you can see, it automatically adjusts the spacing. So click exit. Now you have created the first title block with information with using an A3 size paper. Thank you.